a person called Ray Kurzweil have popularized an idea which is of technological singularity, where he asserts that a time will come in the future where non-human intelligence will exceed the human intelligence in the history of humanity. This shift is so profound that it is going to be called as the final invention of the mankind. See, we are now witnessing artificial intelligence in our real world, and we are also experiencing the impacts of artificial intelligence in our real life too. Now, just refresh to my viewers about what is artificial intelligence is all about. It is the simulation of human intelligence by computers. Let's take an example of arranging all the data that you have collected from your school or the data of a class, which has the student roll number, the name, and all these kind of data. If you want to arrange them quickly and suddenly, the AI will be there to help, because we fed the intelligence of arranging all the data which you are putting into the tabular column to AI. Now, AI can do that for you. So this is simply called as AI, and this can be a good experience that we can have with AI. AI reduces most of our work timings and completes all the tasks within a time frame or quick in a manner. Now, what will be the world after AI? See, the human race always goes ahead. Till now, we didn't get any saturation point in our life. If we need to think what is beyond AI, then it's going to be AGI, which is Artificial General Intelligence. The Artificial General Intelligence is called a strong artificial intelligence, which is a strong AI, which will create the thinking machines that would be designed to perform intellectual tasks just like human beings. Now, the thinking machines are going to be in the double quotes. The thinking machines are going to think just like human being. To make the thinking machines to think just like human being, we are going to feed them all the information, that all the pneumatic data that thinking machines are in the need. Things will be feeding them the logical analysis, will be feeding them the information about the environment and everything, whatever be the need of the artificial general intelligence, so that the thinking machines can easily think like the normal human beings. AGI, the artificial general intelligence, is on the path of creating the machines that would possess the ability to reason themselves, to judge themselves, to learn themselves, to communicate themselves, and even unify all the skills that they have learned to achieve the common goals across the multiple domains. Also have to address the problem of AGI. The problem of AGI is that it will not stop until it performed the mission, which means the AGI machines are designed not only to perform the tasks but also to not stop the task until the completion. Let's take the task as obstacle removal. The obstacle removal task could range from anything like killing or seizing the resources and even damaging the environments. This AGI will not stop without accomplishing the task that has been given to them. It is so because the normal artificial intelligence just depends on who controls it. But artificial general intelligence does not depend on who controls it, because it is the own decision maker in its own place. So this could lead to AI apocalypse, which means the destructive destinations. This would happen because artificial intelligence is attempting to reverse engineer the brain and build a computer architecture that is capable of emulating the cognition of the human being. The possibility of recreating the brain via cognitive computing would mean that there would be no limit on the size of the brain and creation of the human intelligence. Super intelligence will become reality because artificial general intelligence created artificial brain that will impose no restrictions on what will fit in our cranium. The cranium is called the enclosive part of the brain, which is just encloses the brain in the skull. Now, the artificial general intelligence is not going to have its own cranium, because artificial general intelligence can be used to multiple the tasks of creating the thinking machines on its own. So if it's needed, the artificial intelligence will create the n number of thinking machines to enhance its own process. Yeah. the artificial intelligence carries both the advantages and more destructive disadvantages too. It is we who need to think on the right paths and to make the right decisions when it comes to artificial general intelligence. Yeah, that's all, and let's leave for the day.